So, just to give you an idea of how much I'm clearing for the dogs. That's a good one, Charlie. Show them how deep it is. So, we cruise. Down the doggy path. Down the doggy path. To the big mountains of snow. Yeah. So, I'm getting a small electric snowblower today. Enough of this crazy amounts of snow to move a couple times a day. The piles are so high. Look at how high they are. Yeah, just so the dogs can run around. And then I clear out front for them. A run to the barn. There's my boy. There's my handsome boy. Charlie! Oh, that's a good boy. Who's a good boy? You like it when Mommy clears the snow for you, hey? Yeah, so then we clear it up here and to the gate and back to the house. Yeah, that's my life.